Hey guys, it's Sonia. In today's video, we're going to swatch 6 brand new toppers that are ultra shifty, super glowy, and appropriately named the Mythicals collection. First up for the shimmer toppers is Sea Siren, and this one shifts between shades of blue, purple, and teal. I'm sorry if I sound a little funny, guys. I am getting sick, but honestly, the formula for these speaks for themselves. They're so amazingly shifty and glowy. It gives you that like chrome powder look without having to do gel, which I love. And I actually asked my followers what they thought I had on, and the majority guessed that it was gel. But with this, you can just do 1 to 2 coats over any base color, and you get that look right at home. Next up, we have Phoenix, and this one shifts between shades of orange, green, and gold. The other thing I loved about this formula and really impressed me is how smoothly they apply. They're not patchy at all, they don't drag or do anything weird over your base color. And again, you can apply just 1 coat of this and it gives you a really multi-dimensional finish, but I'm super extra, so I just wanted these to be absolutely blinding. Next up we have Pegasus, and this one goes between shades of purple, pink, and gold. Just as a side note, I know that unicorns get all the love, but I'd much rather be a Pegasus. Flying sounds way cooler than having a horn grow out of your face. Moving on to Basilisk, this one goes between shades of green, purple, and blue. Next up is Griffin, and this one goes between shades of green, orange, and gold. So Griffin is this like legendary bird that's a hybrid between a lion and an eagle, which sounds super like majestic and intense. But for some reason, whenever I hear this name, I just automatically think of Peter from Family Guy. Either way, whichever reference you're thinking of, it's really pretty. Last up is Dragon, and this one goes between shades of red, orange, gold, and green. This fiery beauty is limited edition. It's only going to be released 1 time, so if you want to unleash your inner Daenerys, I definitely recommend going over to our website. We're only going to have it for a very limited time, and they're all available right now in the link in our description. That's it for today's swatches, but honestly guys, the possibilities for these are absolutely endless. You can layer it over glitter, different colored creams, whatever combination you can dream up. It's just going to bring any manicure to the next level. As always, let us know your thoughts in the comments, and until next time, we'll see you soon.